All right, we're at a place called BurnDown. This is actually a pretty neat venue. I'm gonna just show the bar area real quick. It's not open yet because this is kind of during the middle of the afternoon. I'm gonna talk over the music too, but look at this. It's actually a pretty neat venue. There's public rooftop out there, and whole place is like a big restaurant bar deal. It's actually kind of neat. This actually seems like a place that would be fun to come at night when everyone's out and partying and stuff. But anyway, right now I'm here to just look at the place and see the elevator. It's a ThyssenKrupp here. They have a random bicycle in a cage. Also, if you look, they put little piece of paper over the light to make it different vibey kind of color atmosphere. Probably a hydro. Wow, wait. I've never seen elevators in Denver with the permit right there. How's it going? I'm just going for a project.
Oh, gotcha.
How's it going?
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, people are pretty nice here. They were very friendly when I told them I wanted to just come on in to take a look. They were like, yeah, go right ahead. Whoa! That was a really rough stop. Looks like it's going down. Anyway. That will be it. Wait, can you see down? Oh wow, look, you can actually see down. That goes, I wonder if there's someone waiting for me there. Not on that floor, but maybe below. That's funny. Anyway, that's gonna be it.